Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Dixieland Elementary School in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. And my first time getting to visit this campus, home of the Cougars. And all throughout their campus, all across their campus, they have different signage that really talks about the behavior expectations as they relate to how we're supposed to treat ourselves and others, right? So we see in the cafeteria, on the playground, in the hallways, bus line, on the bus, bathroom, library, office, everywhere on campus that we're trying to show compassion, show kindness, show respect. And that ties into their acronym as well, PAWS, right? Present with pride, work to achieve, be wise, be safe. But the programs today really focused on probably that last one of just being safe in terms of what it means to really make sure that we're treating people the right way. So the theme was bullying, with the sub-theme being look at the heart first. And like I did 3 separate programs for all the different grade levels, age appropriate, as well as a parent program on cyberbullying and social media. The focus, really tries to hone in on seeing somebody for this first, right? Our heart as big as our fist. And if we can let love, peace, compassion, empathy fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign. Because one finger's ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves. How we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also too, because in just 2 seconds, one word, one action, one heartbeat, one breath, one tweet, one DM, one text, whether it's virtual, social media, or in person, right? Physical, verbal, what we say or do to someone can stay in their heart in a great way for the rest of their life, or conversely in a very, very negative way forever. So we have that choice to be able to see someone for their heart first, and for this too. Every one of my assemblies, I bring up this concept, one of my programs, like it says on the front of my shirt, we all have the letter M, and that stands for miracle, with the lines on our hands, right? We have at least one in each hand, and sometimes a faint line connects it. But this M, again, is for miracle upside down. W for worthy, means we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But a lot of students I speak to, and those were some of the heartfelt stories that I shared today, along with the positive music and the inspirational videos, the picture slides that reinforce the message as well. I really tried to say, hey, that there are people that, never have been told this, or don't believe this, or forgot this. So we need to be that light to their heart, right? We need to show them that kindness does exist, and it's needed now more than ever, right? We keep seeing this on the news, and all the hatred, all the violence, and we need to be able to rise above that, right? That we rise by lifting others. And if we can start moving in that positive direction, just starting with one heart at a time, that's what this journey is all about. Because the idea is that hurt people hurt people. One of the biggest reasons why bullying happens, that if I'm hurting, the easy thing to do is to go push the pain on someone else. The hard thing to do is to forgive, but it's the right thing, right? And so if we can turn hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people, then we start to change this world, right? We start to make it a better place. So thank you all so much for touching my heart. You're beautiful. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.